Zachos, interior designer at Zachos Realty and Design Group in Sarasota, Florida. Today I'm going to talk to you guys about how to make your home look more expensive. My first tip to make your home look more expensive is to really install and utilize wall coverings. Whenever you go into a luxury hotel, you'll notice that they have wall coverings throughout the room. We use that a lot in commercial design for durability on the walls, but it also looks really great. Another great tip I have is to utilize different seating groups throughout a room. Especially in your family room, definitely do the sofa with end tables and your coffee table, but I also like to pair that with two sets of chairs or one large chair. And if you have a fireplace, I suggest adding the 2 chairs near the fireplace to really add a nice cozy element. If you have a really long rectangular room, it also looks really great to add 2 large chairs at the end with an end table and then kind of create a seating group within your sofa at the other side of the room. Another great tip I have is to install oversized artwork throughout your home. Oversized artwork always has a great visual impact and it also looks very high-end. I really like using that throughout the home, and I think it really adds a lot of character and space to a room. Another tip I have is to utilize neutral bedding for your bedrooms. If you go to a luxurious hotel, you will notice that all the bedding is usually white on white. If you do want to add color, I suggest adding it in the throw pillows or the throw on the bed, but I think it always looks really crisp and clean and modern to really have white bedding for your home. Another tip I have for making your home look more high-end is to remove the blinds throughout your home, whether it's wood, metal, or vertical. All luxury homes always have beautiful draperies and metal or wood rods. I really suggest putting those throughout your home, whether it's your bedroom, your family room, and if it's your kitchen, I then suggest going with a nice woven textured Roman shade. And you can get a lot of these great draperies at Bed Bath & Beyond and also even Target. They have a lot of great options out there right now. Thank you for tuning in today. Those are my tips to make your home look more high-end and luxurious. My name is Brittany Zachos from Zachos Design Group, and I look forward to sharing more tips with you guys soon. Thank you.